everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, link in the description for the merchandise. Don't forget to hit that notification bell for when I post trike content. I got something for you guys.
All the body with the flow, they wanted more, I give them more.
Alright guys, you guys want to trike content? It's been a long time for sure. I've been kind of just saving stuff up. I'll let you guys know a little bit of something. My dad ended up bringing me this drag racing bicycle engine, which you can't really see that good. Came up on some brand new speakers. So there's 4 speakers, MVX 8-inch subs. So basically the idea of this whole build, I've been trying to save stuff up. Also this brand new seat that was for Lowrider bike build that we were doing for BJ, the one that we fiberglassed the frame and did everything. He got a banana seat instead of this seat because he didn't like it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this bar about right here, and I'm gonna cut that to where basically this is just gonna sit down flush on there, and then I'll be able to adjust this wherever I want. And it's got some springs in there. I appreciate it, BJ, for hooking up with this. Also with cutting this piece off and taking the seat, I will be removing these bars, so which is gonna free up this whole area here. I was polishing up these regular fenders right here. I mean, I definitely want to keep the rat rod look going with it, kind of keep some of these things original, get rid of all this messed up basket that used to be here, potentially make a box for a little sound system, probably put a battery in there, like a Bluetooth little stereo to power those. That engine, like I said, is a drag bike engine for a bicycle, and it just mounts up in the middle. I'll show you guys eventually here in a little bit what it looks like. It mounts up right here, and then it needs another piece, like a welded bracket that will come up to where then the exhaust pipe comes down this side. It looks pretty good, bolts up pretty nice. My dad gave me a list of things, and he has things, but that's one reason why I've been waiting. I don't have none of that stuff, and if you guys want to donate anything for this, once we get more into actually looking at the engine for it, you guys can, and you guys can let me know. What I did just a little bit ago to kind of get going on this, I went ahead and took 2 inches out of the pedal, so you can see that I shortened it. Now 2 inches out of it. So, and a lot of this stuff, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just polish it up and make it chrome. Like I said, it's just a budget build, and it's just like a little rat rod type trike. So alright, so the pedals that we got, we'll just measure from this area about 7.5, and then with somebody's weight on it with the Springer fork, it drops it down to about 6.5. With the Springer fork all the way compressed, this not being able to pedal, what I'm going to do is it's 7.5, drop down with somebody on it, it's 6.5. I'm going to take 2 inches out of it. I'm going to mark it at the 2 and cut that piece off, and I'm going to come all the way up to the 4 and cut that off too, and then that's going to take 2 inches out of here, which will give me the clearance that I need for plastic. What I'll do is I'll grind these down and then polish them up, and they'll be chrome. Hell yeah, now we got that out the way. Now we can ride it. Now let's get this seat on. Measuring this piece right here from the top where it stops, I would say 1.5 inches. So 1.5 inches is what we got on this seat. And what we're going to do is, I already measured, and then I was already going to start cutting on this. So I'm going to cut this 1.5 inches up right here, and that's what we're going to have to mount that seat on. So now that we got that, All I gotta do is unbolt these 2 bars on the back. Alright guys, now that we got the seat, we got the pedals, now let's take off this little basket piece back here. I gotta put some air in the tires. Alright guys, so not bad for putting the seat on, taking off all this wire from that basket. I went ahead and bolted these down a little bit tighter because they were loose. You can see how I already polished one up, and it's gonna be chrome. So I also polished up the front fork a little bit. Little things here and there. I still do have these caps. They're both over there. Speaker and box. I'm gonna look at what's gonna go on with that. So for right now, I mean, I know you guys been wanting Lowrider Trike content, so here it is. I'll bring you guys along with the build. I definitely don't want to do anything without you guys seeing it or knowing about it. So pretty much it's been waiting for the whole year or so that it hasn't been touched. So like I said, I got other stuff that is for it. Let me put that engine on real quick, and I'll give you guys a little sample of what it will look like. That way you guys can get an idea. This is what the engine looks like on there. It is tilted back, which my dad was telling me that I'm going to have to slide this back, and then I'm going to have to weld a bar for this front bracket. Whole extra assembly and all this other stuff will eventually have to be ordered. It's got a racing carburetor, it's got racing head, exhaust. Like I said, I'm not in a big hurry for doing this. The crazy thing is, my dad happened to have this engine, and he was like, hey, this whole space right here is open, so to have an engine right there, having all this space to occupy it, plus making this thing motorized, is the rat rod theme of it, you know. So having this whole engine and all the accessories like this engine has definitely look pretty cool. So I know it's been taking a long time to make a video on this, but like I said, I've been waiting for parts and waiting for things, but I figured I'd just give you guys a little update on why it's taking so long and what I don't have yet. I want to chrome all 3 wheels and do some different little spots here and there. Chrome, if not try chroming the whole frame. We will get more into this. Want to subscribe for more if you like. Hit that like button, link in the description for merchandise. PayPal if you guys want to donate to the channel. Instagram if you guys have anything on this bike that is for engine parts. If you guys got anything for cheap or donate anything, just hit me up. Hit me up on Instagram. I'll definitely answer you back. Until then, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Take it to the ground, I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I'm used to you, fucking do you? Suck up, do it, can't do it, get it, go. Run it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like buckets, spurs like bucket. You know they can't stop us, you know they can't stop. Keep my mind mind at ease.